happening tech community. So excited to have you here as we explore this groundbreaking technology. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the Venowu Sticker Printer with 7 rolls paper, thermal, wide format, and plotter, study, DIY, kids GIF. And I have to say, I'm absolutely thrilled to share my hands-on experience with this innovative device. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a student, or just someone who loves creating and expressing yourself through art, this printer is going to blow your mind. With its incredible set of features and capabilities, it's an absolute game changer, and I'm excited to show you why. First off, let's talk about the high quality of this product. The Venowu Sticker Printer is built to last, with a sturdy and compact design that makes it perfect for home or office use. The moment you take it out of the box, you can feel the weight and quality of the materials used, and the attention to detail in the design is impressive. But what really sets it apart is the wide range of applications it can handle, from printing stickers and labels to creating intricate designs and patterns. The possibilities are endless, and the quality of the output is always top-notch. Whether you're printing on paper, vinyl, or any other material, the results are always crisp, clear, and vibrant, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. Another aspect that really impressed me is the great value this printer offers. Not only is it affordable, but it also comes with 7 rolls of paper, which is an amazing deal considering the quality and quantity of the paper. The thermal printing technology used in this device ensures that the ink is dried instantly, making it smudge-proof and waterproof, which is a huge plus. The wide format and plotter capabilities also allow for a wide range of creative possibilities, from printing large stickers and posters to creating intricate designs and patterns. The value you get for the price is simply unbeatable, and I think it's an absolute steal. Now let's talk about the excellent performance of the Venowu Sticker Printer. The device is incredibly easy to use, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical expertise. The printer is also surprisingly fast, with the ability to print at high speeds without compromising on quality. The thermal printing technology ensures that the ink is dried instantly, making it perfect for printing on a wide range of materials. The printer also supports a wide range of file formats, including GIF, which is a great feature for those who love creating and printing animated stickers and designs. The performance is seamless, and the results are always impressive, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. In conclusion, the Venowu Sticker Printer with 7 rolls paper, thermal, wide format and plotter, study, DIY, kids GIF is an absolute must-have for anyone who loves creating and expressing themselves through art. With its high-quality build, great value, and excellent performance, it's an investment that will pay for itself many times over. Whether you're a student, a DIY enthusiast, or just someone who loves creating and printing stickers and designs, this printer is going to take your creativity to the next level. So, if you're looking for a powerful, versatile, and easy-to-use printer that can handle all your printing needs, look no further. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Venowu Sticker Printer, and get ready to unleash your creativity and take your printing to the next level. Trust me,